We are now living in an era where imagination is no longer a luxury. It's a requirement. With AI, automation, and emerging technologies evolving faster than any systems we have ever seen. For us to keep up, we must imagine beyond the systems that currently exist. Like, what if imagination wasn't just a childhood trait, but a leadership skill? And what if we taught our students that imagining what's possible is just as valuable as knowing what is? See, this is what I like to call the fusion forward mindset. And that is the ability to blend creativity, consciousness, and technology. And I'm not just talking about some futuristic dream. See, this is how we lead better in education, entrepreneurship, and workforce development today. Imagine a student on the east side of Cleveland using AI to build their very own tutoring chatbot, or an entrepreneur automating their online storefront, gaining the freedom to focus on their art. Imagine classrooms where students aren't just learning how to use AI, they are learning how to shape it. This is the kind of future that we are here to inspire. And that future requires courage to imagine bold.